Hello everyone, this is Srikanth from Institute of Aeronautic Engineering. In this video, I will discuss about in LeetCode 9th problem, that is palindrome number. Guys, it's very simple. Like in single line, you can solve this problem. In Python, just I will discuss about how many conditions we have and what is the main problem statement and how to solve in Python. Then coming to problem statement, before discussing problem statement, check your particular question name. Palindrome number. In general, in maximum program, palindrome means depending upon like a string, right? But this question is depending upon number. So number means just like some logical. He given some small logic. What is that logic? Now the given number integer return only true or false. Remember that. Only true. If palindrome true, false means not a palindrome. Simple. Your input is your number, output is a palindrome or not. Only small logic. And any conditions we have, if you check the conditions, he doesn't have any like a broad statement, but we can discuss the condition in our examples. So first example, x equal to 121. He given 121 is your x. Right. Now output is true. He gives small explanation of that input is 121. If you want reverse, we have again 121. Both are same. Then it's a true. 121, 121. So if you go for the reverse, we have the same. If suppose 122, reverse means 221. Both are same. So both are not same. So that means it's a false. The condition is very simple. The given code, like he given the integer, so given the problem statement, he given the integer that is like x value 121 or any other numbers. Then check the reverse. Then we have some like same number or not. One more example is given. This class again, we will give some idea about this. Now one more example is minus 121. If you reverse the number means we'll think about 121 only. What about minus? So when you think about the minus also. So minus means we have 121 minus. Here we have minus 121, but here 121 minus. He given the example like same. So this case, it's a false statement. So not a palindrome. So if you have the number in negative means, you can give the direct condition. If you have the number in negative means, it's like a false. You can go for the direct condition. Otherwise, check its reverse and get the answer. Now, in example, like if suppose the same example, 121 minus 121. Okay, then you can directly write the condition. If you have any minus, so 0 less than your x is 0 less than, then do the process. Okay, your x value is less than your like 0, x less than 0, then write directly false. If you have the minus, go for the directly false. Okay, this is a basic condition you can write. So coming to like what is the main idea? If coming to main idea, your input is 121. Then I want to go for the digit wise. Right? Digit wise, I want to get the values. And check it in reverse also. In list, if suppose you are in list 121, this is my list. Right? Reverse means we have the list. You can directly write list of colon minus 1. Otherwise, reverse our list. So we have 121 as is one more list. This list, this is both are equal. Then exit. It's single line statement. If suppose in string we have madam. Okay. Then this is your string. Then again in string also we can go for the same logic. This is your string of colon minus 1. String of colon minus 1 will get the true or false. So observe this. If you know the logic with the colon minus 1, then what you require? Either string, either list. Go for a simple logic. Okay. Again, you can digit and compare again, do it. Like it's a lengthy process. So this code is very simple. Single line you can write in Python, single line statement. Okay, guys, remember that So how to convert? If you know the how to convert digit to like integer to your string, it's enough. Game is over. It's very simple. If you know the conversion in your particular number to digit and number to string. If suppose if you don't know, then 121 model with 10. So we have 121 by 10. 10 means 10, 12 ja 120 like 1. So this is like division. These are floor division. So this is 1. So here using the like modular, we have the 1 starting 1. Then divide by 10. 10 means 12. So 12 means 121 divided by 10. We have the 12. Again same process. Again same process means previous 1. Then we have the 2. Then we have the 1. So this is 121. This is also 121. Then we can solve like that. That is, like division and floor division. Again, we need to go for the modular. Again, you can store in different places, or you can compare in the number. Like you need to store in number. Number means again, we have one more logic. N equal to n into 10 plus your particular number. That means which modular number. We need to consider n equal to 0. Then add each values. Then this number is equal to that. Then exit either true or false. So using this logic, you can write, or using this logic. Modular and colon minus 1. So if you're using colon minus 1 is single line statement. So using Python. So I'm writing in Python, not in C and Java, like different programs. I'm writing in Python. Python means better write in single line statements. So maximum use the keywords and get the answer. Now, what is your aim? Your aim is convert. Guys, if you don't know conversion, then what's your how many things we require? One is modular, one is division. So this is your particular x modular with 10. This is one thing, and division with 10. This is one more thing. So which value we have? Again travel, and you need to add those numbers. N equal to, so this logic, n into n 10 plus your which logic, that is modular logic. So this is a simple way. So if you want to discuss about this, like give me the comment. I will discuss about this also. Comment in comment box. I will discuss about this. And then coming to our simple logic. So my x equal to 121. I want to convert into string. Keyword, simple keyword, that is str, your x. I have suppose this is your like string value, single line, s value. I have the string. I converted into 121 as a string. Then return statement, return your particular x is equal to s of colon minus. It's a reverse. Colon minus means you are crossing with reverse, last index onwards. So you can travel. So list as well as string, same manner. So list is suppose 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. You can travel with the -1 index, -2 index, -3 index. Reverse way. Same string also. Suppose 121 is my particular string. 0th index, 1th index, 2nd index. So you can travel reverse also. -1, -2, -3. You can reverse also can travel. So that's why you can use the simple logic. Colon -1 about your string. Okay, we'll write this program in Python. Guys, if you want to go for like a modular and division, just comment me in comment box. We'll discuss about that also. Okay, don't forget. If you want to learn, you can run n number of methods we have. You can discuss about those methods. But in using Python, this is a simple method. Done. So I have the inputs. Suppose my x, guys, one more. This is LeetCode. LeetCode platform 9th problem. You can search in LeetCode. 9 problem means we'll get this problem. In LeetCode, coming to LeetCode, we have problem number 9. So coming to here, problem number 9. Yes, this is a simple problem, easy problem, and he given the same statement. Done. Now we need to cross it. So here, no need to read your input and no need to write your output. We require only method. So method means require only return type. So I want to write in ideally. So I need suppose method. One method. How many parameters? Suppose this is my method name. And how many parameters are required? Only one. He given only one method. One like a parameter, that is x. I want x. Then just convert x into string. Suppose s equal to string of your x, I converted x, then return your logic s equal to s colon colon minus 1. Enough. Simple logic. So guys, what is the meaning of this means? What is the meaning of this means? If suppose this is statement return type is depending upon condition. So I given s equal to s of colon minus 1. That means suppose x equal to 121. So string I converted 121. This is string. In reverse string also 121. So it's also string. This is also string. And I'm comparing using equal to equal parameter. Now both are equal, then true will be returned. Both are not equal, false will be returned. This is for condition like boolean. We are having like condition is return type is boolean. So my condition I write in return type. So return type depending upon boolean statement, true or false. So that's why we can write directly using the colon minus 1. Then call your function. Suppose x equal to 121. Then call the function. So I want to write print your function with x parameter over. So we have that directly true. You want to write in single line? Yes, you can write in single line also, but same logic which we have. So I am comparing here, and the same s is replaced with the string of s. So then no need to worry about your s value. In single line also you can write. Like this. So then this is no need. Same logic. So we have the true. If suppose 121 is minus. Then s false. So same thing. You can type in your like a LeetCode from and run it. We'll get the answer. Guys, this is very simple problem, and I can say that the difficulty also very simple. If you want to go for the like a model and division with n equal to n into 10 plus n into 10 plus that particular value, modular value, that is also one logic we have. That is in C and Python also write same. But in conversion, if you know the conversion, it's very simple statement. The given number, it's a palindrome or not. That's it. So if you convert into string and get the answer directly. So this is about 9th problem. We'll discuss remaining problem also. If you really like this video, just comment me. And if you want to another logic, then just comment with that logic. We'll discuss on that logic also. And please watch my videos and like IR channel and my channel. And thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.